Hello everyone, this is Jojo from Enershare and it is nice to see you all again. And I'm here to tell you an excellent news. We will have a live broadcast soon. I will tell you later. In the live broadcast, we will show you every part of our factory and introduce to you our new design product. And of course, we will show you that our battery, how to make by step. And we will show you around our factory like a tour guide. And if you want to know more details, you can just ask questions directly in the live show and we will have somebody to answer you immediately. And at the end of our live show, we will have a little surprise for you all. I will give you a hint. And it is a coupon for the product, and if you want to buy some product, it will get your money's worth. And of course, our live show will start on March 7, and which will be next week on Tuesday from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. totally for 2 hours. And I will be happy that if you can join us for our live show, and hope you can enjoy our live show at that time. Thank you for your watching. Bye.